Hello everyone, this is your teacher, Mr. Nyirenda. Okay, so let's solve this question. This question is called quadratic equation. As you can see, solve the equation 3x power 2 minus 11x minus 1 equal to 0. Given the answer correct to two decimal places. So this question is a quadratic equation here. Quadratic equation. Why? A quadratic equation is an equation having the x power of 2. The power of the variable must be raised to the power 2. So this is when you see this one, when you see also two decimal places, just know that it's a quadratic. It comes every year. So for this question, the first step we're supposed to do is we're supposed to arrange it into standard. The standard is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. In short, it must be set equal to 0. Now, looking at the question the way it is already set equal to 0. As you can see, there's 3x squared minus 11x minus 1 equal to 0, which means this one is into standard. So as you can see 3 is corresponding to A, then negative 11 is corresponding to B, and negative 1 is corresponding to C. So that's the data. So A, the value of A is the coefficient of x power 2, which is 3. So A is 3. B is the coefficient of x, which is negative 11. And the C is a constant number, the number with no A, without x, with no x, I can say, which is negative 1. Then having this one here, what we're supposed to do is to write down the formula. This quadratic formula, it has a quadratic formula. This formula is always given in the first page of the paper for both ECZ and the Cambridge syllabuses. So we write x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That is the formula. So in this case, just a matter of plugging in. Negative, what is our b? Our b is negative 11. So where there is b, you plug in negative 11. Plus or minus square root. What is our b again? B is negative 11. You put negative 11. But remember, whenever you're plugging in the number with a negative, don't forget to introduce the power 2. The brackets I can speak. This brackets and the power 2. Minus 4 times what is our A? A is 3. C, it is negative 1. Because over all the way 2 times 3, 2A. A is 3. Having this one here, we can just use a calculator. Negative and negative is positive, plus or minus. Then in this case now, we are supposed to punch whatever you have in the brackets. So we have open bracket 1, open bracket negative 11, close bracket, raised to the power 2. I'm punching everything inside. Power 2, then is minus 4, then open bracket times. I can use times between brackets or brackets, same brackets. So open bracket 3, close bracket, then open bracket again. We have negative 1, like that. What you're having inside, we have 133. So we have 133. Then you punch 133. 133. Okay, 133. So that is 133. Then over all the way over 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so without wasting time, we can do this. We can x is equal to 11 plus or minus. We can find the square root of this 133. Square root is here 133. We're having something like 11.5 3. At least we write about 3 or 4 decimal places. 11.532, but the next number is 5. So I'll put 33. 33, like that. Okay, I'll put 33. So at least you can do 4 decimal places or 3 decimal places. It's okay to give the accurate answer. All the way over what? 6. Then having this one here is a matter now of we have 2 answers. The first answer will be 11. We get a plus sign. 11.533 over 6. Or the other one is we start with 11. Now we pick a negative sign, 11.533 over what? Over 6. Having this one here, we're supposed to do 11 plus 11.533 equals divided by, so we have x equal to 22 when you add 0.533 over 6. The other answer, we're going to write 11 minus 11.533. We have negative 0.533 over 6. So we have two answers in short. The first answer, you punch 22.533 divided by 6. Look at the answer. It is 3.7555 that we will divide. But also you punch this one, negative 0.533 divided by 6. We have something like this, which is negative 0.0888. So we have two answers, but you're going to round off the answer correct to 2 decimal places. That's what I said, 2 decimal places. At this particular moment, 2 decimal places, there are 3 numbers after point, 2 decimals, 1, 2. So it would be 3.5. There's 5 here, but the next number is 5. See, 5 is nearest to 10. You add 1 here, it will be 6. That's the first answer. The other one is negative 0.088. Instead of writing 8, I'll put 9 because the next number is 8. It's nearest to 10. So these are the final answer. The final answer. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow. Okay. Then if you need physical tuitions or online tuitions, you are kindly located in Chalala. You can kindly WhatsApp on this number 077 72 57 508. Thanks for your time and wait for the next video.